Good morning everyone, this is Rashwin, the Asian mechanic guy, and welcome back to my garage. And today we are going to replace rear brake show for this 2003 Pontiac Sunfire. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, tire off. I use 19mm socket. Now let's remove this brake show. So you should use a bigger hammer and then tap this. Then now you can remove the drum. There you go. Alright guys, I got the hardware kit and also the brake shoe. So this is a very simple design. So this is like a spring in here on the top, and then this big clip, and then I think that's it. So we'll just remove this. Hold on. So spring in here. So I think we should remove this clip first. So in removing the clip, you just need a flat screwdriver and then just cover it so it won't like goes into your face. Go. See this? Now it's off. Then the other one right here. So now let's remove the clip. So that's the clip. So that's the spring. So the best way to do it, hold on. Let's get the brand new brake shoe, then just compare it. So you can use this in this side, but we need to remove the spring. There you go. So that's the spring. So let's put that way. Alright. So let's compare this. Is this the right side? I think so. Oh yeah. This is the right side. So let's put it back like that. Whoops. So I will and this one Let's grab this one. Hey! Alright guys, let's put this one, oops, let me check one thing. Got the wrong one. Oh, just gonna double check it. No, it should be this one. Yeah, this should be the one. And then at the back there is this clip. Just sneak it in here. Here. There you go. And this one. Just push this spring. Then just rub it. There you go. Alright, that's how you do it. This one goes in here. There you go. Now guys, before we put everything back, we need to like clean this using a brake cleaner. Just spray it. And brush it. Go. So guys, now it's clean. Let's put some brake grease where those contact, this brake shoe contact. Put some grease on this here too. Then the bottom. There you go. And then Then clean this up. See this? Now, let's put some grease in here. Put it on, nice. And wipe the excess grease. And right. Okay. So guys, in putting back this brake shoe, you have to put this clip first. So you start with from here, then you have to put this at the back of this there. Then now this is the other brake shoe. Then just clip this thing in here. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but it can be done. There you go. There you go. Nice. All right. All right. Now let's put this one. So I hope you could see it here. And this and over here. Like that. Then adjust this one. There you go. Now you can use this to adjust it. Let's put on this. That's it. Then just need to adjust it. Alright, there you go. It's good. So that's it, guys. That's how you put the brake shoe for 2003 Pontiac Sunfire. So let's just put the brake drum in. That's pretty much it. So now guys, let's put the brand new brake drum. Now if it's too loose, just adjust this. Ano? Ay, hindi ko lang alam. Ito. Okay.
Lagi kami ginagawa pagkasabot binggaw.
Alright, that's it. It's done. Oh, just this, you can feel a little dragging. That's the perfect type. That's it.